Hi guys, this is a quick review and usage demo for those Hygrometer. The order came with multiple pieces. Now I only show two as example. Open the box. You can see here's the Hygrometer. Backside and front side very compact compared with US quarter. The panel is about US quarter size, is about 1.5 on the backside and 1.75 on the front side diameter. You can see it has a temperature and humid on both ends on the back side. And here's the battery. The battery is LR44 battery. Very convenient. Just put it in. The order comes with the battery, so you can use right away. And double click on the on off button, you can switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Vice versa, just a double click. Here's the example that I 3D printed those silicon box, and I insert this Hygrometer in the center. Very flat, very nice, as give you a real-time monitoring of my temperature and humid. The other usage is I have those vacuum filament bag. I also put it in so I can see the humidity and temperature all the time. Very convenient, super cool. I really like it. 5 stars.